Hello world, welcome to my channel. I'm Liz All Day and thank you for tuning in. So I will be doing a review on a cosmetic line called My T Lips. I also have a surprise at the end of this video. So enough with the chit chat, let's get into the deets. My T Cosmetics is a cosmetic line based out of Los Angeles. It is founded by CEO Sandra T. I will be reviewing the My T Lips. It's a long-wearing, waterproof, smudge-proof matte lipstick. Easy to apply. It's a liquid formula that contains coconut oil, vitamin E, and a hint of vanilla to make your lips really smooth. This is the packaging right here. And at the bottom you can see where the shade of the color is, and there's one of the numbers right there. The packaging for the lipstick, like one of these right here, is like super sophisticated to me. And then here is a travel bag. I love these right here. It's perfect for traveling and I appreciate them giving this to me right here. Color combination for the packaging, love it, perfect. So the colors I decided to choose is red chili, and it has more of an orange base. The next color I decided to choose was red prune. Here it is right here. It's a burgundy with more reddish purple in there. And the last one that I decided to choose was dark nude. So this is really pretty. This is dark nude, and as you can see, they're drying, like that dries down beautifully. This is dark nude. And dark nude is a chocolate with a neutral base. So I will be swatching each shade one by one on my lips, so that way you can see what the color combination is. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is dark nude. So I'm gonna take this off using coconut oil. I see a lot of people that complain about like their swatches on their lips and they worry about it getting super dry. Just take it off with coconut oil, let it set for just a second, and then wipe it off. Okay, the next color, which I'm kind of afraid of, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I wanted these colors to do an ombre look, but this is chili. Color I'm going to do is red prune. So, and I knew I was gonna like this one. This one's pretty. So this is red prune, and it looks cute. Look. Yeah, that's cute. I like this one. Okay, so I want to see how well it ombres. like I could tell that it's not sticky, and I like the formula because it's like, it feels like a true matte. Like some matte lipsticks, it looks weird and it looks crispy. This does not look like that. It's a true matte, and from what it's not super sticky either. Like look at that. Girl, this is a true matte and I love it. And when it dries down, you can tell that it starts to oxidize from what I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna see how well it ombres using the products together. I will say this dries super quick, so make sure that you do it all together and try to do it quickly. Ignore this. Ignore all around my lips. It's because it's red and irritated because I've been taking it off. So there's that. So my initial review about this product, these lovely products right here. I would like to say this is high quality compared to a lot of liquid lipsticks that I have tried over the years. But this right here, my T lips got it down. It's not flaky. It's really smooth and it's like liquidy, like an actual liquid lipstick. It's liquidy. It's not like cakey and thick. This is like, it's thick enough. The consistency is thick enough to where it's easy to glide on. It's not super cakey and thick. With those formulas, they tend to cake up and then flake off. With this, it doesn't do that. I was applying it and wearing it. It's not like super cakey or anything. Like, look at that. It just looks so smooth and filtered. They did a fantastic job for the formula. The colors, how pigmented it is, they show perfectly, especially if you have hyperpigmentation or darker skin. It's going to show up on you a lot. Now with these are like, I would say this would be more of a daytime. It would look really good with the lip liner, especially if you're a woman of color. Or like the combination I got on my lips right now. This is nighttime. This color right here. I picked this right here for like my everyday. It's a nude, it's a neutral, and it's beautiful. I like these products. I'm gonna probably continue using these products versus products like I have the suede from like NYX. Girl, I'm not even gonna get into it. Like, I'm probably gonna stick with these because it's super high quality. It's nice. It goes on the lips really good. It has a hint of vanilla, like it says. And it's a hint, like legit a hint. It's not a whole bunch. It's not where it's overbearing with perfumes and fragrance and stuff like that. Guys, these are good products. I want everybody to go check their site out. They also have brushes and they have a eyeshadow palette, but I really wanted the lip colors, and I tried to emulate what was in their palette from what I got right here at my house, and they have like a glitter eyeshadow and it's so pretty. I might pick that up next. Right here, like, they have high quality products. It's playing any games with their line. And it might stain, which honestly I prefer that. Like, I heard a few people say it stains like their lips and stuff like that. I preferably want that, because I eat and I snack and I'm drinking and I want it to stay on the lips. Now, what I've learned about this product, to get it off, use coconut oil. It gets it off. Like, look at my hands. Like, I'm using it to get it off my hands, and I just let it sit on there. Like, that side was really, really bad. Look at that. And it gets off of there. Coconut oil, ladies. Use coconut oil when you do swatches to get it off of there, or whatever oil you want. These products are fantastic. You guys need to go pick some up. They are, like, I think 25 a piece for it, and you get, like, how much do you get? You get 0.18 ounces in here. I'm willing to pay more and better quality. Y'all need to jump on this bandwagon right here. Like, all the other ones, they're fantastic products. I love them, but this right here, y'all need to get on this bandwagon, right? This right here, this is where it's at. These products right here, this is where it's at. Right here, these products. So it's, again, the company is called My Tubes, and the lip products are T lips. I personally think I'm gonna stick with this line. I'm gonna have to get some more, because I like me some pinks and some neutrals and stuff like that, because I mean, I got to do that every day. Look, and the next one I think I'm gonna get is the Chocolata, or I don't know the name of it. I'll leave a link in the description box below for y'all to pick it up, because this line goes hard. I like it, and like, I look cute. I'm sorry, I look fine. I'm cute. This right here, this is, I can't handle it. Like, I got a mirror right here. I'm looking at myself right here, and I'm cute. Like, I think I look cute. What y'all think? Y'all think I look cute? I think I look cute. I'm cute. Anyway, I'm good. I like this. This right here, I'm sticking with this. I'm gonna put this in my little bag right here for safekeeping. I might, well, yeah, I'm gonna keep this in my little bag right here. I want this one out. I want these two out, but just in case. And I might have to come back and tell y'all what happened throughout the day. I might. If I don't come back and tell you, if it's like, nah, then you know it was all right. So, the surprise for you guys, I have a coupon code down below. So I like deals. I really do. I like coupon codes and all that kind of stuff, and get a little something off. So I want to give you guys a coupon code. So the coupon code is going to be down below, and it's Liz719. That's the name of the coupon code, is Liz719. That way you guys can pick up these products right here, because it's worth it, and I like it, and I'm telling y'all, it is what it is, a high quality product. It is, like, no doubt about it. Not fronting, not trying to like tell y'all otherwise. This is a good product. I like it. I'm probably gonna have to throw everything else away. Okay, I'm over exaggerating. Let me quit. Let me quit being extra. But it's that good of a product. I really like it. I've been doing makeup for a very long time. So even if there was a problem with it, there's a solution to fix it. So that's me. I could work with cheap products. I could work with expensive products. And if the quality is off, I could fix it some kind of way. But by itself is perfectly fine. I didn't have to work with anything. Yes, people, My Tubes, check them out. Hit the link down below. Coupon code. It is high quality, poppin', love it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you guys like this initial review. Great. If you have any questions, comment down below and ask some questions on like topics and stuff that I missed on this right here. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and also hit the bell at the bottom over here. Wait, is it over here or is it over here? I think it's over here. I'm gonna assume it's over here. If I'm wrong, y'all can laugh at me, but down here. Anyway, thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.